Hello, my dear children. I am Sachidanand Pathak, your maths teacher. Today is the 10th day of our video of the first chapter, that is the fish tail. As we know, we have covered it up to the page number 13 and half of the 14. So today we have start it from the here, that Floramma. Let us start. Floramma. Let us first calculate for 6 kg for fresh fish. Here Floramma saying that let us calculate for the 6 kg of fresh fish. So here table is given. Here a table is given that we buy fresh fish for rupees 15 per kg and we sell dried fish for 70 rupees per kg. Okay, so it's saying that calculate for the 6 kg of fresh fish. As they are given that cost of 1 kg of fresh fish is equals to rupees 15. Okay, so cost of 6 kg of fresh fish will be what will be the cost? That is 15 multiplied by 6. Why we multiply 15 with the 6? 15 is the cost of 1 kg and how much we have to find? We have to find of up to 6 kg. So after the multiplying we get the answer, that is the 90 rupees. So what is the cost for the 6 kg of fresh fish? That the 90 rupees. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So after that we dry 6 kg fresh fish to get dash kg of dried fish. As we have discussed in our previous video that when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. It means that if we dry the fresh fish, then the weight of dried fish becomes the 1/3 of its original weight. Is it clear? So how to find the 6 kg of fresh fish to get dried fish? Let us see. As we know, 6 kg fresh fish after drying, it becomes 1/3 of 6 kg. Is it clear? And what does this of mean? 1/3 here. Of means multiplication and 6. And I told you all that if there is no denominator, then we suppose that here 1. Okay, so multiply 6 with 1, we get 6, and 3 with 1, we get 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and we get the answer 2 kg. After drying the 6 kg of fresh fish, we get the 2 kg of dried fish. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, after that, it's asking for 6 kg fresh fish, we have to pay. How much we have to pay? As we have discussed earlier that we have to pay for 90 rupees. But what the amount we have to write it here? Here we have to write 15 rupees. After, with the help of 15, we can find the cost of 6 kg of fresh fish. Is it clear? Yes. Now next question is, we sell 2 kg dried fish. We sell 2 kg dried fish and get what is the amount we get if we sell 2 kg of dried fish. Here as you see in the table that the cost of 1 kg of dried fish is rupees 70. So let us solve it. If the cost of 1 kg dried fish is equals to rupees 70. Okay, so the cost of 2 kg of dried fish will be, how will we find? As we have find in the previous question, yes, 70 multiply with 2 is equals to rupees 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14, and how many zero is left? That is 1 0 is left, and that is the 140 rupees. So what is the cost of the 2 kg of the dried fish? That is the 140 rupees. Is it clear? So what will you have to write it here? Here you need to write 70 and here 140. Is it clear? Yes. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we will earn. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, then how much we will earn? Yes, let us see. The cost of 6 kg of fresh fish is 6 kg of fresh fish is 90. 6 kg of fresh fish is 90, and the cost of 6 kg of dried fish is 140. But there is the one question must be strike in your mind, that is, but is it is the cost of 2 kg of dried fish? Yes, but it is the, when 6 kg of fresh fish is dried, thereafter we will get the 2 kg of dried fish. Okay, and after selling it we get the 140 rupees. So how much we will earn? 140 rupees for the 2 kg of dried fish, and we will minus rupees 90 to, we will minus rupees 90 from rupees 140 to find our profit. Yes, 0, as here 140 and 90 minus 0 from 14, subtract 9 from 14, we will get 5. Yes, so we earn rupees 50. I hope you all will understood about this. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, but so that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.